Okay, crafty friends, today we are going to make some easy little Christmas gift tags. So get your craft supplies together and let's get started. I have these paper tags and I have all these adorable little buttons. I've just gone through Craft Stash and got out all things Christmas that I had. And like most of you, you probably forgot what you had in there. I found all these buttons and they were so adorable. So I'm going to make some gift tags. And if you want to do these the way I'm going to do, you could put your decoration maybe on the top half or the bottom half and then write your to and from on the top or the bottom, whichever. You could put to and from on the back, which is how I like my presents to be really fancy around the tree, which includes fancy bows and fancy tags. So you could leave it where they look pretty from the front, and when it's time to pass out gifts, you flip them over and see which person it's to and pass them out that way. But the ones I'm making today are not for actual tags for gifts. I'm going to use them on different projects. And I'm not sure if any of those projects are getting into this video today. I've got like 15 projects, so I'm probably going to have several Christmas videos coming out in a row. You see what I'm doing? I'm just taking those nail clippers and clipping off the part that makes it a button, the little hook area. And then just figure out how you want to place them. And I have done tags kind of similar to this before. I'm not doing it today, but if you have like some red and black checkered ribbon or just some solid green ribbon, you could put a piece of ribbon across it. I'm going to use ribbon for tying the tags, but you could add a piece of ribbon, like where I have the believe. You could put some ribbon underneath of that and then put the word on top of it. So as usual, it's for inspiration to get you started, but you know, it might just get your juices flowing and then you come up with some way better stuff. Yeah, I tried to cut off those loops with scissors and you just can't get close enough, so the nail clippers actually do the best job. If you don't get them pretty flattened off, if you leave a little bumps, it makes them not stick so good when you try to glue them down. And I'm just going to use Elmer's glue, so I need them to be pretty flat. And I'm just going to do 4 tags, I think. Then you'll see in some of these projects how I'm going to use the tags. I already have ideas for 2 of them. So this is all there is to it. A good sized glob of Elmer's glue. Then just press them down really good. Get them in good contact with the paper. Or you could weight them down with something and set them aside to dry. Okay, now that everything's dry, I'm going to put some little ribbons. And here's where you can get creative too. Mix and match your ribbon to coordinate with the colors you've used on your tag. And you could put a little bow like I'm doing on this one, or you can just make it a hang tag. You know, the gold cord like you use for the ornaments, like the little cheesy ornaments that have that gold cord. You could do that for a hang tag. You could use some really fancy ribbon. Like I like this wired, really wide ribbon. So that kind of jazzes it up a little bit. I just love to make my packages look fancy. You know, then they open it and it's a doll or whatever, but your package looks so fancy. I've always loved it. I've always made my own bows. Well, I won't say always. There have been a couple years. Now that I live in a camper, you know, you can't have all that Christmas decoration. So sometimes it's just stick-on bows. But if they are special gifts, I usually make a handmade bow. I should do a video about that, how to make the handmade bows. They're fairly easy, but they really make a package look nice. And you can make them any size. Tiny for a tiny package or large for a large package. So there are 2 of my little tags. I already have an idea for that little snowman. And for this little believe, I'm going to use it on a Santa. A Santa, what do you call it? Where you put everything in the vase, but it's not a flower arrangement. It's going to be like an arrangement, but it's an arrangement of Christmas things. You'll see. That video is probably going to be on the next, that project. In fact, I think everything that I'm putting in today's upload, I don't think any of them use these tags. I just have so many projects going, like I said, like 15 items. I wanted to make this, and I wanted to make that, and I was going in so many directions, and I said, wow, I can't put all this in one video. It'd be a 5-hour video. And ain't nobody got time for all that. So, this was already kind of a pre-tied little bow that came off of something, and I just can't throw anything away, so. But anyway, I have some wired burlap that I thought about would be cute, especially since these are, you know, craft paper colored tags. And I also have the little wooden tags that would have been really cute with these buttons. And I still have more buttons that I found, so I might end up making some of the little wooden tags. So there are these 4. Okay, I hope you hit the like button. Pretty please. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.